Hi, friends, it's Mrs. Beard again. Today, to start our science investigation, we're actually going to talk about some science practices, things that good scientists always do. So, whenever scientists are wondering things, they write those things down and they think of a question that they can answer. So, when I'm thinking back to our SNAP test, we were wondering if the number of magnets affected the size of the magnetic field. That would be the question as a scientist that you would write down in your notebook or somewhere special so that you can keep track of your information that you're collecting. After you figure out the question you're trying to answer, you have to collect the data, the information. And good scientists do many trials, at least 3, because you're looking for patterns as a scientist so that you can share the outcomes of your experiment. So you need to find an organized way to collect the information and think of a way to test it. After you've done that, then you need to look for or think about a prediction. What do you think might happen? And after you've made that hypothesis, which is a fancy science word for prediction, you test it. You do the experiment and you collect the data in a table or in a chart so that you can keep track and look for patterns. And we're going to do that same thing today, similar to our magnet test, but instead of testing the magnetic field, we're going to be doing an experiment with something called a twirly bird. Go to the next slide to find out more.